Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB or Trading212. And before starting this video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. Both platforms are great, and it's not very honest to say which one is better because both are great in their own way. I tell you today which one will fit you the best because both applications are different, and I will tell you on 5 different topics today what are the differences on both platforms. So let's start right here with the main focus on XTB, and the main focus on XTB is CFD and stock investing. If you look to Trading212, there we have commission-free investing and it's a trading app. Then if you look to best for, XTB is best for active traders and CFD users, and Trading212 is the best for beginner investors and long-term investors. If you look to the trading tools, XTB has advanced charting, CFD, stocks and ETFs. And if you look to the trading tools on Trading212, stocks, ETFs, fractional shares and auto invest called pies. Then if we compare the interface, XTB is trader focused and more advanced, and Trading212 is very simple, modern and beginner friendly. So let's say if you're a complete beginner, then it's better to start with Trading212. And if you have a little experience with trading, I recommend you to use XTB. Then if you look right here to the fees and trading costs on XTB, stock ETF trades often zero commission within limits, and CFDs use spreads plus overnight fees. Then on Trading212, commission-free stocks and ETFs, costs mainly come from FX conversion spreads. So they also put their fees in the spreads on Trading212. So if you ask me, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs and low-cost stock ETF investing, within limits of course. And many investors use Trading212 for commission-free investing, fractional shares and long-term buy and hold portfolios. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.